Hello, good people. Digital James. This is James O. Dickens, digital appliance marketer. That's right, good people. Let's explain this. Because people say, what is a digital appliance marketer? Hello, good people. It's Mr. James. Ooh, you're a digital appliance marketer. You're saying, well, what is that? I don't know what that is, Mr. James. Okay, well, we're going to explain it to you and so you can understand. Over this internet, there's all types of business models and ways you can get busy on this internet. You can be an affiliate marketer, cryptocurrency, green tea. I mean, there's a plethora of businesses you can start. And I choose the digital because you get to learn, continuous learning. For me, it's education, entrepreneurship, and self-growth. And these digital books has all that. So I'm going to put it up on the screen right next to me in a minute once I finish this short video. And I said, wow, this is so amazing. And I from that point on, I started liking it. But what happened with these books, you get into that zone, you want to keep selling everything, but these tools have lots of knowledge inside. So when my finances started going crazy or sideways, you get little sales here and there, but it was, it's like keep you stressed out just about, almost. Then you have to look for a job offline somewhere because you're not doing anything you're supposed to do as you study. But once I started really applying knowledge, you go through the book, go through the videos, go through the audios, if audios, and you put the knowledge in play. You do what they say. These kids are like your mini coaches. Say, well, you do this and you do that, and you adjust to get what you came for. Once you start applying the information that's inside of these tools, that's when everything changes. Because now you have more knowledge where you can teach someone else. That's a business model. You can be a coach on one of these products. Or you can put it out there. These products are what is known as resellable items that you can sell for whatever price you want to put on them. And to me, this is the best way to build this internet. Affiliate marketer is someone else's tool that they give you a commission if you sell it. If somebody click the link and they buy it, you will get a commission. These digital projects, you are the owner. There's no middle people. You own the tool. They're not to be given away for free, and you can charge whatever you want, and all the money goes to you. And less taxes and online fees or whatever processes you're using. And that's powerful by itself. So now you have these tools. Each one is a side hustle or business in the box, all the way put together. Come with the videos, come with the copy, come with everything, even promotional tools inside these kits to promote them out there. So my thing is I'm gonna go through them first, then I put them out there so somebody can try to buy it. You can buy if you want to. But the first part, the learning, the second part is applying. That's where things happen for me. Because now you are getting the benefit of that knowledge. So if it's TikTok or a Meta or X or your own blog site or whatever these kids are talking about right next to you, spinning around, you just download it, open it up, go through the videos, take your notes. I got my little notepad here. Take your notes on whatever topic you're working on and make it happen for yourself. Now the sweet thing about this, we have ChatGPT. I'm taking ChatGPT and applying it to these digital kits, which changed the whole game. Because now I can take the sales page, put it inside ChatGPT, and then go back and ask ChatGPT, who's looking for this product? I want you to write some content for this product. The hashtags, the keywords, the demographics, the psychographics. It's so many things you can have ChatGPT do towards this product for you. So instead of take hours of research, maybe around about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, I said, man, this is so amazing. So being an applying marketer, you learn from the tools yourself, you use them, then you sell it if you want to. You don't have to. You can gain the benefit of just having the knowledge and gain the upper edge of this internet. So you go through one a day, one a week, but you always progressing forward. I know this is kind of like a long video, but I want to let you know, my name is James Dickens, this is what I'm doing. I'm learning from these tools, I put them in play, and I put them out there. And I go to the next one, and I keep doing that. So I'm getting the edge on different platforms. Very powerful, good people. Okay, thanks for watching. If there's a link on this page anywhere, click it, come on over, start your digital journey with Mr. James. If not, I hope I shed some light on being a digital appliance marketer. I know it was a 5-minute video, but hey, gotta get it out there, good people. Have a great awesome day. Thanks for watching again. Like I say, if there's any links on this page, click it, get started, and learn a bunch at your own pace, at your own time. Talk to you soon. Bye.